Next subtitle, Objectives of the League. The twofold objectives of the League of Nations was to avoid war and maintain peace in the world. The second one objective is the difficulty in achieving the objectives was increased from the beginning by the absence of three great powers, namely USA, Germany and Russia. Next subtitle, Activities of the League. The League was called in to settle a number of disputes between 1920 and 1925. The League was successful in three issues. In 1920, a dispute அப்படின்னா ஏற்கனவே சொல்லியிருக்கேன் சண்டை சச்சரவுகள் சண்டைகள் arose between Sweden and Finland over the sovereignty of Åland Island. The League was asked to settle the frontier between Poland and Germany in Upper Silesia, which was successfully resolved by the League. The third dispute was between Greece and Bulgaria in 1925. Next subtitle, Violations. One of the major problems confronting the European power was how to achieve disarmament. Second one, in 1925, the Council of the League set up a commission to hold a disarmament conference to sort out of the problem. In this conference, Germany's demand of equality of arms with France was rejected. Japan attacked Manchuria in September 1931 and the League condemned Japan. So Japan also followed the example of Germany and resigned from the League. Italy resigned from the League in 1937. Thereafter, the League was passive witness to events, taking no part in that crisis over the Rhineland, Austria, Czechoslovakia and Poland. The assembly did not meet again and the League of Nations was finally dissolved in 1946. Next we are going to see the subtitle, Causes of Failure. The unanimity of member was required for all its decision on political issues. The founder of this peace organization underestimated the power of nationalism when Italy, Japan and Germany, headed by dictators, refused to be bound by the orders of the League. Britain and France were the only major powers to act decisively, but they were not enthusiastic supporters of the League, as it was the brainchild of Wilson, who could not even convince his country to join the League. That's all up to this lesson that we have seen about the outbreak of World War I and its aftermath. Now let's we move to the exercise of this lesson. As the first Roman, choose the correct answer. The first one, what were the three major empires shattered by the end of First World War? Answer is Germany, Austria-Hungary and the Ottomans. மூன்று முக்கியமான பேரரசர்கள் முதலாம் உலகப் போரில் வந்து முடிவுக்கு வந்த ஷேட்டர்டு வந்த நாடுகள் எது அப்படின்னு சொல்லி பார்க்கும்போது ஜெர்மனி, ஆஸ்ட்ரியா, ஹங்கேரி அண்ட் த ஓட்டோமான்ஸ் தான் ஆன்சர். The second one, where did the Ethiopian army defeated the Italian army? Ethiopian army இட்டாலி ஆர்மியை எந்த இடத்துல வந்து டிஃபீட் பண்ணுச்சு அப்படின்போது ஆன்சர் சி ஆப்ஷன் அடோவா. Third one, which country emerged as the strongest in East Asia toward the close of 19th century? 19th centuryல ஈஸ்ட் ஏஷியாவில் எந்த நாடு ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ராங் நாடாக இருந்துச்சு அப்படிங்கிறது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா the answer is B, Japan. Fourth one, who said imperialism is the highest stage of capitalism? கேபிட்டலிசத்துக்கு உயர்ந்த இடத்தை கொண்டு வரது எது அப்படின்னா இம்பீரியலிசம் தான் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொன்னவர் யார் அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்க. The answer is A, Lenin. What is the battle of Marne remembered for? Trench warfare. Battle of Marneனாலே நம்ம trench warfare பார்த்தோம். The method of war இல்லையா? Yes, battle, during the battle the zigzag method of warfare பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா? That is called as B, answer trench warfare. Sixth one, which country after the World War I took a policy of isolation? The answer is D, USA. Isolation, தனித்துவமாக நான் இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னு நினைச்ச நாடு USA. And next, to which country did the first Secretary General of League of Nations belongs? முதலாவது Secretary General League of Nationsக்காக தேர்ந்தெடுக்கப்பட்டவர் எந்த நாட்டை சேர்ந்தவர் அப்படின்னு பார்க்கும்போது the answer is A, Britain. Eighth one, which country was expelled from the League of Nations for attacking Finland? The answer is B, Option Russia. Second Roman, fill in the blanks. First one, Japan forced a war on China in the year 1894. The new state of Albania was created according to the Treaty of London signed in May 1913. Third one, Japan entered into alliances with England in the year 1902. Fourth one, in the Balkans, dash had mixed population. The answer is Macedonia. Macedonia. Fifth one, in the Battle of Tannenberg, dash suffered heavy losses. Tannenbergல எந்த நாடு அதிகமாக இழப்ப சந்திச்சது அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா ரஷ்யா. ஆன்சர் இஸ் ரஷ்யா. Sixth one, dash as a prime minister represented France in Paris Peace Conference. Answer is Clemenceau. Answer is Clemenceau. Seventh one, dash became prime minister leading a new coalition of liberals and moderate socialists before Lenin established the Bolshevik government. The answer is Kransky. Kransky. Eighth one, Locarno Treaty was signed in the year dash 1925. The answer is 1925. Third Roman number, we are going to see about the choose the correct statement. The first one, here Italy remained a neutral country when the World War broke out. Second, Italy was much disappointed over the peace settlement at Versailles. Third one, the Treaty of Serfs was signed with Italy. Fourth, Italy was denied even small places such as Trieste, Istria and the South Tyrol. The answer is, the first two is correct one. The one is, Italy remained a neutral country when the World War broke out. Yes, it has stand a neutral one, isolation country. And the second point is also correct. Italy was much disappointed over the peace settlement at Versailles. And the second statement, which is the correct one, that you are going to see about that. The first one is the Turkish Empire contained many non-Turkish people in the Balkans. Second, Turkey fought on the side of the Central Powers. Third one, Britain attacked Turkey and captured Constantinople. Fourth one, Turkey's attempt to attack Suez Canal but were repulsed. The answer is option D is correct one. That is, first one, second and fourth are correct. Here we are going to see once again, the Turkish Empire contained many non-Turkish people in the Balkans. And second one, Turkey fought on the side of the Central Powers. And the fourth one, Turkey's attempt to attack Suez Canal but were repulsed. These three options are the correct one for second one. And next, Ascertation, Germany and the United States were producing cheaper manufactured goods and capturing England's market. Its reason, both the countries produced required raw materials for their industries. So answer which one is correct, you have to find it. The option B is the correct answer. A is right but R is not the correct reason. That means Germany and the United States were producing cheaper manufactured goods and the capturing England markets. Okay, the assertion is correct, but here the reason is given no, it is a wrong, not correct. Both the countries produce required raw materials for their industries. Not at all, they have dependent to other countries. So R is not a correct one. So the option B is a right answer. A is right but R is not the correct reason. Okay, now let's move to the fourth one. Assertion, the first European attempt to carve out the colonists in Africa resulted in bloody battles. Bloody reason, there was stiff resistance from the native population. So which one is the correct answer from that four option means A is the correct one. Both A, that means assertion, and reason are matched here simultaneously. So A, the first European attempt to carve out colonies in Africa resulted in bloody battles, and reason is also correct. Assertion is also correct. Reason is there was stiff resistance from the native population. So option A is the correct one for fourth one. And next we are going to see the Roman number 4, match the following. The first one, Treaty of